guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Beautybox. Okay, so we got the booklet right here, and then this is, I wanted to lift it up and show you guys the inside of the box, but I kind of already did that. Because as y'all know, the Beautybox isn't a box within a box, it's just this particular box itself. It's way better for the environment, I really do appreciate it. So the first thing I see in here is from the unknown. No, Ariane Inde. Okay, and this is a coupon for €5 off. You know what? I think I'm gonna give this to my the mother of my boyfriend, because I think she uses Ariane Inde products, so I'm gonna give that to her, because I personally just, since they moved, they're not in Arnhem anymore, I don't really go there. So yeah, there's that. Okay, moving on to this, and this is Coco Star Tulip Mask Sheet, the most romantic mask sheet ever. Okay, made in South Korea. Oh wow, wait a minute, is this what, this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is basically the front, and then this is the back, and do you see this? This is what it looks like, because it's like see-through over here. Oh my god, it's literally like, is this like tulip, what you call them, tulip petals? I think it is. Wow, this is really freaking cool. Okay, I really do like this. Let's see. Flower mask sheet. It costs €3.95, and you can get 3 different ones. There's a sunflower sheet, a tulip sheet, which I got. Ooh, and there's a rose sheet. Okay, this is very cool. As y'all know, I love masks, so I am very much into this. Moving on to something heavy and big. This is Sukin carbon neutral product. Australian natural, wow. Australian natural skincare. This is a foaming facial cleanser. Ooh, it's foaming. I have a dry skin, and foam and dry or dehydrated skin don't really go well together. Skincare that doesn't cost the earth. Okay, that's really good. Chamomile, aloe vera with hazel and green tea with macadamia and evening primrose oils to purify and balance your skin. It sounds really good. Suitable for all skin types. Okay, I'm definitely going to give this fella a try. So this is, hopefully you guys are able to see that, but this is what that fella looks like. It claims to be good for the earth, which is always a good thing. It costs €9.99. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold on. Over here it says it's a mild gel cleanser for normal to oily skin. And over here it says suitable for all skin types. So what is it? Is it from normal to oily skin, or is it for all skin types? I'm not really sure now, because I have a dry skin, and you know what? I'm gonna try it for 1 or 2 days, and if it's too drying, I'm gonna pass it along to my mom. Okay, moving on. Ooh, Lord & Berry. Is this a lipstick? Absolute. Oh no, that's a color. Absolute. It's a satin finish lipstick. Ooh, okay, Lord & Berry. I love Lord & Berry. Oh, come on. Are you freaking kidding me? Another damn brown lipstick. We just received, like in the StyleTone box, a brown lipstick, and now I got another damn brown lipstick. You've got to be kidding me with the brown lipsticks, people. It's like, frustrating. Okay, this is what that fella looks like, and I am curious to see what kind of a color it is, yet I know that as soon as I swatch it, can't give it away anymore, so it's done for. And I just did. Oh my god, and it's literally the same ass color that I have 1,000,001 brown lipsticks from already, so frustrated. I would much rather have had like a pink one, or the one that I kind of, a lipstick color in like a weird color, like a nude or a coral tone color. We never ever get soft pastel coral tone colors, which are so freaking beautiful. I don't understand why. But the Lord & Berry Lipstick Absolute Intensity Sweetheart. Sweetheart? No. This is, it says number 7421 Absolute. It doesn't say sweetheart, it says absolute. Okay, whatever. But it costs 25 euros. Come to think about it, 25 euros is actually quite a lot for a lipstick, so. Okay, moving on, we have two more products, I think. Yeah, two more products. Box is empty. Let's see, one is a stick from, Ariana Inde, see? We got her in here. This is your basic black pencil, I'm assuming. Wait a minute, this isn't black. Is this black or is this green? Hold on, let me just check the booklet. Oh no, it's a black eye pencil. Okay, because of these lights, you know, it kind of seems green, but it's black. Okay, that's pretty cool. A black pencil is a filler product, but it is one of the filler products that is always useful and handy. And with this kind of a filler product, I have no problem whatsoever. I really do enjoy it. So this is what that fella looks like in your basic black pencil. So this fella costs, wow, 24 euros and 50 cents. So actually I am gonna expect a lot from it just because of the ridiculously high price. Okay, we're down to the last item from BB Cosmetics, and it is a lip peeling. Okay, so basically a sugar lip scrub. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. So this is what that little fella looks like, and let's open it up. Oh, it's sealed actually. And you know what? Because I already have like 2 lip peeling items open already, I'm just gonna leave this one sealed because I don't kind of want to use it up, no, not use it up, open it up already, because like I said, I have 2 ones that are open, so I'm gonna save this one. And this fella, BB Cosmetics lip peeling costs, this is ridiculous, for sugar, this costs 19 euros and 75 cents. This, I'm sorry, that price is ridiculous for freaking sugar that everybody has in the kitchen that you buy a kilo for $1. Is this like golden sugar in here? Is this from the rainforests of Abu freaking Dhabi or whatever? There are no rainforests in Abu Dhabi, by the way. But still, I don't know. This is just ridiculous. 19 euros and 75 cents. Too much money for a lip scrub. You can make one with like olive oil and sugar at home. So, no. This, I'm sorry, I just can't justify the price. This is just ridiculous. Wow, my voice is even doing flip overs. Okay. It is done. I need to shut up this video because my throat is starting to kill me again. We received, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. And I'm really, especially most excited, I guess, for this little like sheet mask thingy. I'm so freaking excited for it. So I'm really happy with that. I am definitely excited to try out this cleanser. If it works for me, great. If not, I'm gonna pass it on to my mom. Like I said, filler product with this pencil, but a good filler product. I can always use a black pencil, so I'm happy with that. This one is also good for, you know, to have, but the price is just ridiculous. And this is another damn brown lipstick. I just can't even justify this and not justify the price. Why brown boxes? Could you please not send us brown tone colors? I am so done with it. A red one would even been better. But red, I feel like brown colors and red colors are definitely the 2 most given away colors. Like recently we received from, I think it was a Look Fantastic box, a Nabla lipstick in like a weird purple kind of a color. That is amazing. That is something new, something that we don't receive often, and that is something that's cool. And I know it's kind of hit or miss because somebody doesn't wear purples and somebody does, but it's cool. I can't actually be mad at that, even if it's a color that I don't use, because it's a different kind of a color. It's not brown or freaking red, okay? So yeah, but all in all, I really find this to be a nice spring box, and actually like the colors, like the dark colors of the rest of the items and then the purple tones come, like, look at that. Look at how great this goes together. I don't know. It's an amazing box, and like the paper is pink with like black fillings. I think this box was great. I don't know. I really enjoyed this. I love this box. One of the I guess not, I don't think recently we received a beauty box that I can say I actually loved, but this one I actually loved. I really enjoyed it. So Beautybox, thank you very much, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so far. If you haven't done so far, I should say, I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!